Emergency preparedness and contingency planning are essential for minimizing risks and potential losses during crisis situations. For small apartment investors, having a detailed emergency response plan in place can protect tenants, property, and investment stability. A comprehensive plan outlines specific procedures for responding to emergencies, communication protocols, and essential contact information. Preparing for situations such as fires, floods, severe weather, and tenant emergencies enables investors to respond effectively and reduce the impact of unexpected events. Risk mitigation. Preparedness helps minimize damage to property, reduce injuries, and ensure tenant safety, which in turn reduces potential liability and financial loss. Efficient crisis management. A clear response plan provides step-by-step guidance for managing emergencies, enabling faster and more organized action. Tenant confidence and retention. Tenants who feel secure and know that emergency protocols are in place are more likely to remain long-term, contributing to stable occupancy and rental income. Types of emergencies. Identify emergencies likely to affect the property, such as fires, floods, severe weather, power outages, earthquakes, or tenant medical emergencies. Develop specific response procedures for each type of emergency. Response procedures. Outline clear, actionable steps to follow in each emergency scenario, such as evacuation routes, shelter-in-place guidelines, and property protection measures. Emergency contacts and resources. Include contact information for emergency services, fire, police, medical, property management staff, insurance providers, utility companies, and maintenance contractors. Having quick access to these contacts ensures timely responses and support. Tenant communication protocols. Develop communication strategies for alerting tenants, providing instructions, and updating them during an emergency. Include both electronic communication, like text and email, and in-person announcements if necessary. Stakeholder coordination. Identify communication procedures for informing stakeholders, such as investors, insurance companies, and regulatory authorities, to ensure they are informed of the situation and any necessary actions. Train property management staff on emergency response protocols, such as fire evacuation, first aid basics, and handling tenant concerns during emergencies. Well-trained staff can manage emergencies effectively and reassure tenants. Conduct regular fire and evacuation drills to ensure tenants and staff are familiar with emergency exits and procedures. Drills reinforce safety awareness and make evacuation more efficient during actual emergencies. Regularly inspect fire extinguishers, smoke detectors, alarm systems, and emergency lighting to ensure they function correctly. Working equipment reduces risks and improves response effectiveness during an emergency. An investor could conduct quarterly fire drills and train property management staff on emergency response protocols. Staff would learn evacuation procedures, tenant communication guidelines, and how to use fire extinguishers. Regular drills also prepare tenants to respond quickly and safely in the event of a fire.